Welcome guys back. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit a rib seed stitch. So you can see it has seed stitch inside and it looks like ribbing at the same time. So for this swatch I was using 4mm knitting needles and I cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. So if you want to try it, let's do it together. So the first row, I slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch, then knit 2, then purl 1, and then knit 3, and repeat, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, and knit 2 at the end and purl the very last stitch, selvage stitch. So nothing is clear as yet. The second row, slip the first stitch, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, and repeat till the end of row. Purl 1 and the last one purl. So that's it. Now you're going to repeat the first row and then the second again. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 1, and then repeat knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 2 as it was at the beginning, and the last stitch purl. The fourth row is the same as the second one. So slip the first stitch and purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3. Repeat till the end of row. Now it's more clear. You may see those seed stitch in it. So this is a perfect stitch for hats, especially for men, and scarf. So if you like the stitch, please use it and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and see you